if Battlefield 6 is not launching on your PC, there are a few things that you could try doing here. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that everything is up to date. That includes Windows and also your GPU. So for Windows, you just need to go to your search bar here and just type in update and look for check for updates system settings. Now in here, go and click on check for updates, wait for Windows to update itself. It requires further permission or ask you to update or agree with the update. Just answer yes or okay and basically restart your PC and see if that helps. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your GPU is also up to date. Now, depending on what you have, NVIDIA, AMD, or whatever brand you currently have, what you need to do is you want to go open up the app or the driver for your GPU. So in my case, I have NVIDIA. Let's go open up the NVIDIA app here. And by the way, if you don't have the app or your driver updated or installed yet, go and make sure to download this from their official website. So if you already have this installed, you just need to go to drivers and click on the download button here that you see. Now, if you're not aware yet, if your GPU is fairly new or is still releasing updates, it will release updates for certain games. Like since Battlefield 6 is fairly new, obviously your GPU would release some updates for it to work properly on your PC. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to also check your library. So depending on where you have this installed, so if you have this on Steam, go ahead and open up Steam. If you have this on the EA app, go ahead and open up the EA app. So in my case, like for example, you have this on Steam. You want to go to your library here, and you want to look for Battlefield 6. Just right click on it, and you want to go to Properties. Now, under Properties, you want to go to Install Files, and you want to go and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files here, and just wait for it to complete verifying the files here. Now, sometimes there might be some changes that may have happened on the game. That's why it's not running properly. So just wait for it. Usually it's like installing the game again that long. But once it's done, see if that solves the issue. Now, if not, you may want to go ahead and click on the Browse button here that you see under the size installation. And in here, you want to look for Easy Anti-Cheat. And you want to open up the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup here, double click on it, and just basically follow the on-screen steps that you'll be seeing here to fix any problem. So you can go and just repair Easy Anti-Cheat or even install it if you don't have this installed yet into your PC. Now, sometimes it may be different, like EA Anti-Cheat. So go ahead and just look for EA Anti-Cheat instead if you don't see Easy Anti-Cheat and see if that helps. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.